Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. What we are doing today is how to earn $0.25 within 10 minutes. So to earn $0.25 within 10 minutes, so before I go through that, please do not forget to subscribe, like and share these videos for more. So let's go. First, I want to show you my payment proof on this site. Payment proof. So they pay me $0.25. They pay me $0.25. So but now, because Dogecoin gets up, so now is 0.28. Wow, massive. So great. So let's go to the site now. So the name of this site is Faucet Crypto. So this Faucet Crypto pays. So Faucet Crypto, this Faucet Crypto pays you when you view ads, watch videos, view sites and answer surveys and claim reward. So while the minimum payout on this site is 1,500 coin is the minimum payout of this site. Can you see everything you claim? Every 30 minutes you claim. So let's log in. I didn't have an account, so I'll just go to dashboard. See it, this is the Faucet Crypto account. See the coin I have. My coin balance is 101.18 coin I have. So in Bitcoin is 0.0000000017 in Bitcoin. So if you reach 1,005, so you can, they will pay you out to your Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Litecoin, any crypto. So if so the thing I use to withdraw my money is Trust Wallet, and you can also use Binance. So this is not the first time they are paying me on this site. This is not the first time they are paying me on this site. They have paid me a lot of time. So le let me show you. You just press withdraw. Can you see it? Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin is empty. All this one are empty. So all this one that is full, so you can, they will pay you out. This one is full, they will pay you out. Dogecoin is empty today. So all this one is empty, full, empty. So you can use any cryptocurrency you want to use, they will surely pay you. So this site is real and legit. I usually post legit sites. So please do not forget to like and share these videos for more. Any information, inbox me in the comments. I will let you know. So this site is real. They'll pay me. So if you do it and they did not pay you, let me know. Please let me know. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and like these videos.